Hello outdoor enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the Alocs Camping Cookware Set, a compact and durable solution for all your outdoor cooking needs. This 4-in-1 set includes a 2.2-liter pot, a 1.2-liter pot, a 0.8-liter kettle, and a 7.5-inch non-stick frying pan, perfect for serving 3 to 4 people whether you're stewing, frying, or boiling water. Crafted from high-quality hard anodized aluminum, this cookware set is not only lightweight and non-toxic but also resistant to high temperatures, scratches, and corrosion, ensuring your meals are safe and delicious. The user-friendly design features heat-resistant silicone handles and a steam reflux groove on the lid to keep your food moist, while the small threaded design on the bottom enhances heat efficiency for quick and even cooking. With aluminum's superior thermal conductivity, you'll enjoy reduced cooking times and energy savings, making your outdoor adventures even more enjoyable. Lightweight and compact, this set is easy to carry and perfect for any camping trip, and it makes a thoughtful gift for Mother's Day, Father's Day, or Children's Day. So gear up for your next adventure with the Alocs Camping Cookware Set and enjoy the great outdoors with delicious meals. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.